She get lost. She in the back right off. She wanna fuck on the boss. She wanna fuck on the law.
Damn, it looks like it's scratched. Probably. Alright, what's up everybody? No, it's kind of been a while, but got the boy Ruby. Today we're vinyl wrapping the lights. We already kind of did one layer on this one, and we're doing the other one right now on this one. These are the new taillights that I got. I should have made a video on wiring them up. It's not that hard, but for anybody that doesn't know how to wire, because I kind of learned how to do it too. It's not too hard. It's kind of 4 wires. But yeah, we got one layer on right here. Doing the layer right here. Do you have anything to say, Ruby? It's probably gonna be a short video. Yeah, we're talking. This is probably the video that we're talking about if I'm painting or wrapping it. So.
Started off as a paint job.
Yeah. Started off as a paint job, and I'm leaning towards a wrap. So. Just because I kind of getting bored of the blue and want to get this bitch done already, so I'm not gonna say the color yet. And when we do film the video, I'll probably record the video and not in black and white. I was thinking about doing black and white, but a whole fucking video.
Do that when you wrap it.
When I wrap it, huh? Yeah.
Because I mean, how soon is it gonna get done?
That's true. Maybe we can knock it out.
Yeah, that's what
pretty.
I'm saying. Like, when do you
Yeah,
do it?
that's true. That's true. But yeah, I'm gonna.
The reason it wasn't like painted because you.
It's because it fucking takes a while. Yeah, wrap is just
like,
bit that bitch on.
You can't do it.
Yeah, exactly. But yeah, I'll probably buy the wrap later tonight. Ruby's telling me the measurements that we have for it, that he used to wrap his second Z. He's a 3rd Z owner, by the way, if y'all didn't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna pick up right now when we finish this off, and then we're probably gonna go hit a wash right now, and then I'm gonna do 2 layers on it. I have more rolls right here, but it's Sunday and he works tomorrow at like 4 in the morning, so probably just do 1 today. But it looks good as fuck. It looks way darker than this clear shit. So. Alright, so here's it done. This is the first layer. We didn't get time to do a second one just because it's kind of getting dark and we want to get a car wash. But yeah, looks really fucking nice. It's only 1 layer. I do want to go 1 more darker. Only thing on this side we kind of fucked up, or I fucked up. I cut too short right here, and I got a low line. So when we do the next one, I'm either gonna put the next one over and see if this carries over, or just take it off and then redo it. And then I have plenty of vinyl, so. But yeah, it looks a lot better. I'm gonna show you what they look like on. Still see them. Just looks dope. I personally just like the darker color, but that's my personal opinion. But yeah, we're gonna go to the wash right now. Alright, ready? Let's go. Alright, so that video I just showed right now had this motherfucker's tires sparking. And we're like, what the fuck is that shit? But look how much. That's what's fucking sparking. Jeez, I was like, what the fuck is sparking? So it's the wires.
I mean, I'm just taking the video.
Yeah, have them do it. Yeah. Yeesh. Alright, we're gonna get a wash right now. Look how dirty this shit is.
I'm pissed, bro, because I can't peel the back tips off because it'll fuck up the frosters apparently.
Really?
So I don't know what I'm gonna do.
Oh, the back ones?
Yeah, I don't know. I might have no.
Have someone take it off.
That guy, he'll probably charge me.
They'll charge you, but they'll probably do it right. It looks stupid as fuck. The loud. Shit looks good. But yeah, I'm really considering doing a wrap. I kind of already finalized my answer of doing it. I'm leaning like 90% sure, yeah. Unfortunately, I'm going to take off this tint. I know I just got it done, but I'm going to take it off. I got to finish this side over here. I got to put Bondo on over here, and then I'll be able to wrap over that. Over here, there was holes in here, so I'm going to actually be able to... Couldn't wrap over this now because it's all smooth. Same thing with this side. And then this is what I gotta sand this down a little bit more, obviously. But I'm either gonna wrap over here or just wrap to right here. And then the fender obviously is gonna be wrapped over, so you won't be able to see it unless you're like underneath the car like this. So that's why the part of me kind of just wants to wrap under here and tuck it right here. So yeah, but meaning like 90% towards I'm doing a wrap. I've wrapped the car before. We wrapped Ruby Z, but yeah, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do it. Obviously, I'm gonna announce the color on the day of the video, but yeah, I'm excited towards that. Hopefully, it comes in here soon. Damn! Is that from the granny?
Huh?
Is that from the granny?
Yeah.
God. Yeah, some old bitch hit his front of the end of his car. It does look like a mustache. Damn. Alright guys, so it's a couple days later from that last clip when we were at the car wash, I believe, after that day. So, short story was basically don't vinyl wrap your lights after and get a wash after because it will peel. So that happened to mine and I took them off. But I do have these extra ones here and I was like, you know what? It would be cool to switch out between dark tint and clear tails. But clear tail lights starting are like $800. So I've seen some videos. I know some guys that actually make their own. So what they'll do is actually they'll actually clean off this adhesive right here and actually take off the lens and buy a clear lens because this is clear underneath. So I actually got one and off and it looks pretty sick. It is a little tricky. It kind of fucked up right here a little bit, kind of pinched it, and also got this right here. But overall, it does not look bad. Obviously, I do need to get a clear set of lens, which is like 140 on eBay. Take it off, like same thing like that, and glue it on here. So yeah, I'm actually gonna take off this one right here. All you're gonna need is a heat gun. Some people throw them in the oven for like 10 minutes, but I just use a heat gun around just because I don't want the wires to get messed up in the oven. So I heat gun around the edges all right here. And you kind of go in there carefully because it will break on you. Carefully with your screwdrivers. You need flats and then a knife too. So I use the knife to kind of break it and then use the screwdrivers to slowly lift up. It takes a while, but you eventually get this. Just pull up to the boy's house. I noticed someone missed. What's up, fool? I want to hear the start.
I found the leak. It was that gasket.
It was that gasket? Jeez. The foaming. Alright guys, so I got the hazards on right now. Me and Ruby were cruising to my homie's crib and fucking we were going down the street and we didn't see this big old bump. Oh, and you can hear that noise. That's my undershroud right now dragging. I think it's about to fly off. But we're trying to make it to his house. I already heard one bolt pop off the whole undershroud. Basically that big ass bump hit the undershroud and basically where the part for the oil goes is on the floor dragging right now. So trying to have another 2 miles to his house, and we're gonna try to save it and obviously put it back up, but you get to hear it right now.
Shit.
All right, so we made it back. Got it back up. Luckily, it didn't fall off. But look at this bitch. I think both inserts got fucked, so I'm probably just gonna take it off. This one could probably be saved, but God.
Oh, damn, you got chewed up.
Yeah, the left one. You see the left one? Probably can't go back in, but the right one probably can. So. All right, guys. So I was able to make it home. We were able to fix it. I'm definitely gonna buy another one. You can tell right there. If it lets me zoom in. There we go. It's already kind of dangling a little bit, but as long as I don't hit a big bump, we should be good. But yeah, I was able to fix it. I'm gonna buy another one tonight. I know it kind of got fucked up when I hit the rocks with my gas tank, but something new I added was this Luminous tint. It's called Silver. It looks really, really sick. And it's gonna look really, really crisp with my, kind of looks weird right now because the car's different colors, but it's gonna look crisp as fuck with that color I go. But yeah, this is it on the inside. It looks so clear. It's the back window. Looks like there's no tint on it, and it actually keeps a lot of the heat out too, so it's nice. But yeah, if you guys do want a crazy reflective tint, I would suggest Luminous. It's pretty sick. But yeah, if you guys made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. Next video I'm probably gonna drop here soon. I'm gonna wrap the car. I actually bought the wrap, have it sitting inside, so I'll see you guys on the next one.